How to use Instagram Meta AI. Here is a step-by-step guide. Initially open the Instagram app on your phone. Next tap the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then at the very top of the chat list, you will see the option Ask Meta AI. Simply click on it to get started. Once opened, you will notice a set of pre-made questions suggested by the Meta AI. Simply tap any of them to see a quick response. However, if you have a specific question in mind, just go back and type your message manually in the message bar, then hit send. Additionally, if you want to dive deeper, feel free to ask follow-up question in the same chat. Furthermore, if you found the response helpful, you can tap the like button to give feedback or the dislike button if it wasn't useful. Just select the reason and hit the submit button. Moreover, you have the option to share a response with friends by tapping the share icon, or copy the answer by using the copy button. And there you go. I hope this video helped.